So the next tool in our shelf of edit mode is a randomize tool. Let's see what does it does. So for that to happen, we don't need we can't show it I can't show it on the cube. I have to show it on the sphere, because on the sphere it will be easily visible. So for that to happen, I will click on this cube and delete this cube. So we will go from add to mesh to UV sphere. So this is our UV sphere. I want to select half of this UV sphere. So for that to happen, I have to go from object mode to edit mode. You can also use tab key on the keyboard to go from object mode to edit mode, and I want to go in the face mode. You can also use keyboard 1 2 3 on your keyboard to go from edge vertex mode 1, edge mode 2, and face mode is 3. So after that, I will select all these faces. But the problem with this kind of selection is that you won't select all the faces behind it. So for that to happen, you need to activate this button, which is toggle X-ray. The moment I click this, you can see everything in this sphere. So now we will come here and select these faces and switch off this X-ray. Now you see everything is selected, and toggle X-ray also has a shortcut which is Alt Z. Alt Z is the shortcut for X-ray mode. Now after selecting this, we will come to our smooth tool, click and hold there, and then go on randomize and leave it. Now our randomize tool has been activated, and this is the indication that randomize tool has been activated. Randomize tool does exactly what it says. It randomizes it. If I click and drag this yellow button, whoa, that is like too much of randomization, isn't it? If I come down to this menu, we get these values: amount, how much do you want to randomize it, uniform, what kind of randomize should it be. So for that to happen, what actually uniform does is, if I raise this normal value, normal means perpendicular to the face. Now this is how it is randomizing. It is actually uniform. If I reduce this uniform, it will bring a little bit of randomness to the randomness. Wow, that's wonderful. So amount increases the amount of randomization, uniform increases the amount of uniformness, and normal increases the amount how much that face should be perpendicularly extruded out. And with random seed is like random value how the face should look like. So that's it for random tool. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, Patreon page link is given in the description. And until then, see it, try it, understand it. I will meet you in the next video.